A lot of people are asking about what YouTube SEO means. YouTube search engine optimization is the process of optimizing your videos, playlists, and channel to be ranked high in YouTube's search results when someone type a keyword or phrase into YouTube or Google search bar. Follow the below hack stack and use it as a reference guide to better optimize your videos on YouTube. 1. High quality content. Your video content should catch and retain the audience retention, so be sure to plan your content in advance. Make sure that you're using a script before shooting your videos. 2. Consistency on YouTube. What is your posting schedule, and did you plan how many videos are you going to upload or publish per week? 3. Videos, titles, and tags. You should know how to title your YouTube videos and how to properly use YouTube tags for more views. The sweet spot for title length is 60 to 70 characters so that the titles appear on search results. Use relevant keyword in the title. You can use numbers or include a benefit to help viewers know what's in the video for them, like how to optimize your YouTube channel for more views and subscribers. Use titles that grab the attention of your audience and help to draw their curiosity. Be sure to use relevant tags that match the content of your video. Using irrelevant and unnecessary tags is considered spam. I found that some of the channels that I reviewed are using tags in the video description. Don't ever do that. It's against YouTube's policy. The best tags for YouTube videos are the ones that help your videos to be discovered and ranked high in search results. Keyword research is an important step you don't want to miss. The more you do a keyword research, the more you'll learn how to use YouTube tags effectively. Don't forget that you have only 500 characters, so use tags wisely. Your title, thumbnail, description, and tags should be optimized and directed towards the viewers. 4. What is the best YouTube description? Add a video description of at least 200 words that showcase your video theme. You can add your social media links to make it easier for your audience to connect with you. You can add links to other relevant videos on your channel. It's worth mentioning that the first 2 sentences are the most important part in your video description, as they are shown in search results. YouTube algorithm uses your description to know more about your videos and help your viewers to find them. It's a good idea to add a call to action in your description if you want your viewers to go to your website, landing page, or any resource that you're talking about in the video. 5. YouTube end screen and cards. Always add your subscribe button in your end screen so that your viewers subscribe to your channel before they click off. Use cards that have relevant keywords or use them to point to other videos on your channel. Ensure that you're using the right timing when placing cards. You want your audience to watch a big chunk of your videos, but you don't want to take their attention away from the video. 6. YouTube video playlists. You can organize your video playlists so that they have a list of videos that plays in the order they are set. Playlists can include a category or topic about your product or service, or even a group of similar videos. If you followed the previous YouTube video SEO best practices, you will be able to recognize how to optimize your YouTube channel and all your videos to generate views, get more subscribers, and ultimately increase the sales in your business. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, hit the thumbs up and let's know what you think in the comments below. Build a successful video marketing strategy and grow your business YouTube channel. Do that by subscribing and clicking on the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video so you don't miss a thing. I'll see you on the next video.